In this video, you will learn how to apply the same style to all blocks in WordPress. First, identify the block type. First, figure out which block you want to style. WordPress uses block types like paragraphs, headings and images. You can inspect the HTML structure of the block on the front end using tools like Chrome DevTools. Go to the Customizer or Theme Custom CSS section. From WordPress dashboard, go to Appearances, then Customize. In the Customizer, look for Custom CSS or additional CSS options. Alternatively, if your theme provides a theme option panel, check for a place and add Custom CSS there. Add the CSS rule. Add the CSS rule that targets all blocks. For example, to style all text blocks like paragraphs and headings, use coding. To target specific blocks, use another type of code. After that, save and publish. After adding the CSS rule, click Publish to apply the style to your site. Optionally, you can use the child theme advanced. If you want the style to be safe for theme updates, you can create a child theme and add custom CSS to it. Test on the front end. Once your styles are applied, visit the front end of your site and check the blocks look as expected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.